Stay focused, connected, and entertained with the perfect companion, Android Auto, in your new Mazda. And with Android Auto, you can send and receive text messages while you're in your car. To text, use the Google Assistant to help you through the process. The command is text, followed by a person in your contacts that you want to send a message to.
Text Joan.
Sure. Work mobile or home?
Mobile.
What's the message?
I will be 15 minutes late.
Got it. Do you want to send it or change it?
Send it.
Okay. Message sent.
Incoming messages are displayed as a new card on the home screen. Using the commander knob, select the card and the text will be read aloud.
Can't wait to see you tonight.
You can reply by pressing the voice command on the steering wheel and saying reply, then your outgoing message. With Android Auto, you can stay on top of all your messages.